you know, I'll probably cash it out every month or every 2 months, you know, where it's like a large lump sum of money from just buying gas, you know, doing something you need to do anyways. For those of you that didn't see the first video about this, go watch the first video because it's gonna make more sense to you. I break it down exactly what you need to do. This is by far the easiest way to make money in the world, because if you drive, you're gonna have to buy gas anyway, and it's gonna make more sense to you guys if you go watch the first video. So I'll post a link right here to that video, and then you can just come back to this one and watch this one.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.
So guys, it's a very, very simple process, okay? Very simple process. The easiest way to make money today, and you do need a car for this, you know, because it just requires you to do your normal driving, the normal driving you do every day, and you're gonna make money from having to put gas in your car. And every time you have to put gas in your car, you will make a little bit of money. And this is gonna add up. This is the smart way. This is strategizing to wealth. You know what I mean? This is, you know, money you're gonna throw away anyways. You have to put gas in your car, so why not get paid every single time you put gas in your car? And then when you help people to do the same thing, you make money on top of that. All right, guys, so that's exactly what this is. So I just wanted to make an update from the last video to show you guys that it actually works, that it's actually, you know, going well, you know. So let me just show you right now before I hit the gas station. So let me just show you guys really quick that I already have $5.26. So it's been about 1 week and I've already made $5, you know, in just getting gas. Now, you don't need to get gas every single day. You don't even need to get gas every other day. You know, for some of you do if you got to do a lot of driving, but the more gas you get, the more money you get. So I haven't even did a lot of driving this week and I've already made $5, you know, from referring you guys and helping you guys to do the same thing. And on top of that, me buying some gas. For me to buy gas, it's at negative percentage. So I'm basically getting free gas. You know, I'm getting free gas. They owe me money just to come. You know, it's not even like I'm paying. It's not like I'm paying $2.30 because it was $2.60 and they giving me 30 cents back. No, they're actually in the negative with me. So their gas station already owes me negative $1.50 something cents just to buy the gas. So I'm already there, and I just hope this makes sense to you guys, that it's just free money. It's free money, and yeah, nothing else to say. I just wanted to make an update video about this because this is very important. This is strategizing to wealth. You know what I mean? You're gonna buy gas anyways, so make sure you guys go download this app. This is a free app. This is something that is totally free. You don't have to pay for this app. You don't have to, you know, spend any extra money. Just do what you normally do anyways every day of your life. Well, not, like I said, not every day. Every time you need to buy gas, just use this app to buy gas and you're gonna make money back. And this is real money that you can keep for yourself. This is not money that it's only gas points. You know, this is actually money that adds up over time. You can cash out whenever. It adds up over time, and whenever it's at a point where you want to, you know, transfer it to your bank account or your PayPal, you can do that at any time you want to do it. So for me, I'm just gonna wait till it gets like in the hundreds or whatever, and then I'm just gonna transfer it all to my PayPal and take it out and use that for, like, you know, reselling or, you know, ads or whatever business thing, or even put it in my daughter's bank account. You know what I mean? Like, so at the end of the day, you can use this money for anything. All right, guys? And it's just a cool way. It's such a genius way to, you know, help yourself. Like, it's just, I think it's ignorant if you don't use it. So this is why, and I like to show you guys things that actually you like matter in your every single day life. Like, it's not just about retail arbitrage for me. It's not even just about making money. You know, it's about health, wealth, happiness, peace, and love. And I just think this is one of the best ways to you know, have something to have in your arcades of ways to, you know, save and generate money, because if you have a car, you're gonna need to buy gas at some point. Why not get paid to buy the gas? So guys, like I did last time, I'm gonna post my link in the description. You guys are gonna save extra by signing up on my link and help me out by making extra by signing up on my link. So it's a win-win. It's like a circle. It's a circle thing. It's a win-win for both of us. You know, share it with your family and friends. Show them that they can actually make money every single time they buy gas, and it's gonna, you know, it's gonna actually help you and them out, you know, to have extra cash back when they get their first purchase, and when they do, it's extra cash back for you when you get your next one. So it's just amazing. It's that you can actually, you know, give something to somebody that's for free, and it helps them and it helps you. There's not too many things out there like that. This is why I love this. So yeah, it's a blessing, guys, if you guys use my link in the description. And yeah, it's crazy. Like, gas is negative for me now. I get free gas, so that's incredible. So yeah, go do this. I'm telling you, it's worth it. And yeah, this is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna do a little bit of sourcing video soon, and you know, I got a lot of stuff to talk about, guys. It's just, you know, I just feel so good. It's peace and love. I hope everyone's out there winning. You already know. Peace and love, guys. Alright, so check this out, family. I'm here at a gas station right now. Forgive me if the rain drops on the camera because it's raining out, but I am here at a gas station, guys, and I want to show you guys something, how really fast it's negative $1.58 per gallon for me. Like, that's crazy, right? So for me to fill up my tank, for me to buy gas right now, it costs me negative $1.58, meaning they already owe me $1.58 just to per gallon. For me, they owe me $1.58 per gallon. I know I keep repeating that, but it's kind of like weird to think about. It's kind of weird to you know, to understand. But yeah, literally when you pull up to the gas station, and you know, a gas station says $2.30 per gallon, right? Well, for me, just picture pulling up to the gas station and it says negative $1.58 per gallon. So that's where I'm at right now. So and honestly, there's actually better gas stations out here for me. This was just the closest to my house, and my tank's on E, and I just want to fill it up and see how much cash back I actually get. This is gonna be crazy. I want to see how much cash back I actually get, because if we go back to my app here, my gas app here, as you can see, I'm at, wait, here you go, let's go back. I'm at $5.26, right, in cash back. On top of the $5.26, they actually are in the negative. They owe me money to buy gas now. So like, it's just, we're crazy. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just gonna fill up, and we're gonna see how much money I get by, you know, taking a picture of my receipt. Like I said, this is something that everyone should be doing. Hold on, let me fix this. Yeah, so like I said, this is something that everyone should be doing. And yeah, like, basically I'm getting paid crazy amounts of money right now just to buy gas. I need to buy gas anyway. My tank's on E, and this is an everyday thing. If you have a car, this is, well, not an everyday thing, but this is a, you know, a continuous thing. If you have a car, you already know you're gonna need to buy gas anyways. So I'm here. Let's see how much I make after filling up my tank. Let's see what my balance is. Right now it's $5.26. So basically, I'm just filling up my tank. Like I told you, I already have $5.26. I think it was, I already forgot, $5.26, I believe, cash out. Right now, I can, you know, forward that to my bank or forward it to my PayPal, but I'm just gonna let it grow. It hasn't even been 2 weeks. You know, I'll probably cash it out every month or every 2 months, you know, where it's like a large lump sum of money from just buying gas, you know, doing something you need to do anyways. For those of you that didn't see the first video about this, go watch the first video because it's gonna make more sense to you. I break it down exactly what you need to do. This is by far the easiest way to make money in the world, because if you drive, you're gonna have to buy gas anyway, and it's gonna make more sense to you guys if you go watch the first video. So I'll post a link right here to that video, and then you can just come back to this one and watch this one. You know, this is not something where you only can buy gas with it. Like, you buy gas every day, you're gonna, you know, generate, you know, cash back, and then the cash back you can cash out and use that cash for anything you want to do. Like, so that's pretty cool. It stopped at $38, so that is 13 gallons, and they already owe me negative $1.58. This is crazy. So I'm gonna like take the picture of receipt, do all that stuff, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes.